Where are you going? Where are you going? I just did a miracle and you're... I didn't leave when you came in, really. I just... Where... She's leaving. She's going out the back. Go ahead. No, you don't have to stay. Now, apparently, we can't keep her... She's gone. We'll wait for you. Just go ahead. Were you impressed by that? Were you impressed by the trick? Oh, I love working with the little shit kids. Who is she with? Is she with you? She just left. Stand up. Come up here. Come here. Come over here. Come over here. Go sit in those empty seats over there. You too. Go back there. You don't leave during my show. Gotta go to the bathroom. I'm just saying, if this guy can hold it, we can all hold it, right, sir? He said depends. I guess that doesn't...